Hi, one of the most frequently asked questions we get from customers is, how do I log on to my server? As LeaseWeb gives you full control over your infrastructure, you can install any operating system you prefer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use PuTTY, an SSH client for Windows, to access your Linux server. A separate video that shows you how to log on to a Windows server is also available. I'm logged on to the LeaseWeb customer portal, and I'll be going to the dedicated and bare metal pages to retrieve our server login details. On the overview page, I'll select Manage for the server I'd like to log on to, and next we'll download the PuTTY client. I have the PuTTY download page in front of me, and I'll be selecting the installer to install PuTTY for the first time on this system. Installing PuTTY is pretty straightforward, so that may not need any narration, but I would like to have a desktop icon. And I wouldn't like to see the README file right now. Okay, so I'll open the PuTTY client and insert the IP address of the server I wish to log on to. Alright, so now that we have the IP address, I'll be checking the port, which is 22 for the SSH protocol, and port 22 is the default port, but you could change this if you'd like in the SSH server configuration on your server. Before I save the session, I'd like to change the behavior of the mouse to make it easier to paste text into my SSH session. So by changing the mouse settings under Window and Selection to Windows, I will get a menu when I click my right mouse button that will allow me to paste in the password, for instance. Okay, so now I'll save my session under the name of the server and connect. As this is the first time I'm logging onto the server, it's going to ask me to accept the fingerprint. And if I trust the host, which I do, I will select yes, and then I will not see this the next time I will log on from this system. Alright, I'll fill in the username and take the password from customer portal. Use the right mouse button, select paste, and log on. As this is the first time I'm logging on to the server, I will be changing the password immediately. So now that I'm logged on and changed the password, I will check if there are some updates available. As this is not a production system, I will also be installing any updates that are available. Alright, all the updates are installed, and now I'll be logging off by typing exit. So this concludes this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.